welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to unbox the Bamix Immersion Blender. I decided a few years ago not to buy an immersion blender because I didn't need one since I had a Vitamix. Well, I've been getting more and more recipes that call for an immersion blender, and while yes, I can transfer my soups and sauces into my Vitamix, it's really starting to get to be a pain. And I did have a kitchen accident recently where I got spaghetti sauce all over the place because I was transferring it from a pot into the Vitamix. So I decided to go ahead and look into getting an immersion blender. Well, there's a lot of immersion blenders out there on the market, so which one should you get? Well, I decided on the Bamix brand because their motor has a lifetime warranty. That is the good part. The bad part is you get what you pay for, so this has a hefty price tag. Now, in the Bamix blenders, they have like 5 or 6 different varieties. I decided to go with a Swiss line because I heard that you can actually immerse the Swiss line all the way up to the buttons that you press to turn the blender on and off. It has the best seal around the base that liquids can't get up into it. So that's why I have this here. And so let's unbox it and see what we have. So we have the instruction booklet and a recipe booklet. All good. And here's the blender itself. And it's supposed to be a powerful little thing. And the part that makes it different than other blenders, other than the lifetime warranty, is this bottom part. Most of the other blenders have like a cup-shaped bottom part. This has an open part, and it says that it can suck the liquids, whatever you're blending, down towards the blades a lot easier and a lot more efficiently than the other kind of blenders that are out there on the market. A lot of people don't want to get the Bamix blender because this does not come off and it can't go into the dishwasher. But I don't think that's going to be a big deal. You just rinse it under the faucet and get your dishcloth out and wipe it down, and it should be good to go. I have to read the instruction booklet, but I think the other items that are included can go in the dishwasher. But as I said, I got to read about that. And as I said before, you can immerse this into liquids all the way up to where these buttons are. So that's going to be a big pot of liquid if you're going to go down that far. It really seems to have a nice handle on it that I don't think it's going to be uncomfortable when I start using it. So let's see what else we have. We have a beaker, and inside the beaker, oh, it looks like the beaker does have markings. It looks like ounces and milliliters, up to 30, almost 35 ounces and 900 milliliters. And I think I read somewhere that you're supposed to wash these real good first, and that like activates a scratch resistant something or another in there. I could be wrong on that, but we'll see. Always good to wash your things anyway. And we have our 3 blades here. Okay, this blade I read is the blending blade. So if you're making sauces, this is the blade you would use. This is your whipping blade if you're doing a whipped cream or a mayonnaise. I don't expect that I'm going to be using that blade much. This is the blade that I'm going to be using a lot of, and it's the chopping blade. And these blades, all the accessories have a 1-year warranty. Anything else, I'm guessing like the casing, the cord, whatever is not the motor on here has a 5-year warranty. And that's pretty good because most things only have like a 90-day warranty. in here we also have what they call a food processor. And with the food processor, you're able to process both dry and wet ingredients. So I expect to use this for grinding pepper and other spices and maybe some garlic, or if the recipe only calls for a little bit of onion, that's when I'm going to use this. And I believe down here, yep. This is a stand. They have two kinds of, well, actually three kinds of stands. This is one. Then they have another one that has it's freestanding. But then there's another type where you actually screw it to the wall. My walls are tile, so I didn't want the one that screws to the wall. So I got a freestanding stand. And I'll have to figure out how that goes together. Oh, it looks like the stand has a nifty little spot you can put your blades in. That's nice so you don't lose them. So there you have it, the Bamix Swiss line blender. Thank you for joining me today for the unboxing of the Bamix Immersion Blender. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.